It is also our family life, which is very important. It's shocking that family life is nowadays becoming a kind of a stupid thing. No one understands the importance of it. In Sahaja Yoga, we have to understand. Small quarrels, fights should be given up. Harshness must be given. Cruelty must be given up. And there should be a proper rapport between husband and wife to begin with. So that there is a companionship. And the children also see that companionship and enjoy it.